Welcome to WTM.Cars YouTube channel. WTM.Cars. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
The 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre. Rolls-Royce is poised to electrify the ultra-luxury automobile market with the debut of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre. This groundbreaking model represents the marque's first fully electric vehicle, heralding a bold new era for the brand while maintaining its legendary commitment to craftsmanship, elegance, and unparalleled sophistication. Design: a vision of futuristic grandeur. The Spectre's design embodies Rolls-Royce's timeless aesthetic with a contemporary twist. A grand silhouette, the Spectre's sleek and imposing presence is accentuated by an elongated hood, a gracefully sloping roofline, and a fastback rear. Illuminated Pantheon grille. The iconic grille now features subtle LED lighting, creating a striking effect that reinforces its futuristic character. Aerodynamic perfection. Designed for efficiency, the Spectre achieves a drag coefficient of just 0.23, making it the most aerodynamic Rolls-Royce ever. Bespoke details. Hand-polished stainless steel trim and exclusive paint options like Aurora Frost and Midnight Onyx emphasize its luxurious presence. Interior: opulence beyond compare. Step into the Spectre, and you're enveloped in an environment that epitomizes bespoke luxury. Starry night experience. The headliner now extends to the doors, creating a celestial ambience with over 5,000 individually lit fiber optics. Sustainable materials. Vegan leather and responsibly sourced wood trims redefine modern luxury. Infinity display. A seamless OLED dashboard integrates advanced digital controls and infotainment with Rolls-Royce's signature analog elegance. Rear comfort. Lounge-style rear seating with reclining functions and individualized climate controls ensures every passenger is pampered. Performance: silent power, ultimate grace. The Spectre combines the silent refinement of electric power with the hallmark smoothness of Rolls-Royce. Electric powertrain. Dual motors deliver 600 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque for effortless acceleration. Range: an estimated range of 320 miles ensures the Spectre is as practical as it is luxurious. Magic Carpet Ride 2.0. Rolls-Royce's advanced suspension system adapts instantly to road conditions, ensuring a ride that's unmatched in smoothness. Effortless speed. The Spectre accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 4.3 seconds, an extraordinary feat for a vehicle of its size and luxury. Technology: a glimpse into the future. The Spectre is packed with innovations that redefine automotive luxury. Spirit of Ecstasy AI. Rolls-Royce introduces its bespoke artificial intelligence system, capable of customizing every aspect of the driving experience. Advanced driver assistance includes adaptive cruise control, autonomous parking, and predictive navigation for effortless journeys. Spectral audio system. A30 speaker system with 3D soundscaping offers an unparalleled auditory experience. Connected Elegance. Real-time updates and integration with Rolls-Royce's Whisper app allow owners to control features remotely. Sustainability: a new standard for luxury. Net zero vision. The Spectre is the first step in Rolls-Royce's commitment to becoming a fully electric brand by 2030. Eco-conscious manufacturing. Produced using renewable energy at the Goodwood factory. Pricing and availability. Starting price: the Rolls-Royce Spectre begins at $400,000, with endless customization options available through the Bespoke program. Release date: deliveries are expected to commence in mid-2026, with pre-orders already open for discerning clients. Conclusion: the 2026 Rolls-Royce Spectre is more than an electric vehicle. It's a statement of timeless elegance and forward-thinking innovation. Combining the silence and smoothness of electric power with Rolls-Royce's unmatched luxury, the Spectre is a glimpse into the future of opulent motoring.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.